Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can convert a downloaded Microsoft Teams attendance sheets to a cumulative monthly attendance, or just to get a count of your daily attendance very easily within 3 to 5 clicks. So to do that, firstly we'll have to go to this URL, which is www.github.com/jaideepshinde. Now when you open this page, you should go to repositories, and then you should click on this link which says Teams Attendance Report. So this is going to basically give you the entire code for the software that we've created. So click on code over here and then click on download zip. So basically you'll get all of the files that are needed for you to convert or get a cumulative Excel file. Now once you've completed the download, go to the folder and then click on extract. So once you've done extracting, you should get a folder with these files. Okay, so basically what you're going to have, right as you download, there'll be some sample files for you to understand everything. So for the time being we do not need that, so I'm just going to delete everything that I have in this file, and this is the sample report, so I'm going to delete that as well. So I'll just explain you how to go through it step by step. So this is the readme file for it. So the first step was to download the repo that we've already done. The second step is to unzip the files that we've already done as well. Now if you can see, there should be two folders that we already have after unzipping. So the first folder, called the roll call list, should be a single CSV file that will have all the names of the students in the particular roll call list. So basically all the students roll number wise, but the student names should be matching to the student names as in your Microsoft Teams display names. Okay, so whichever names your students have been given on the Microsoft Teams app, you should have the same names in the particular roll call manner. Okay, so it should be sorted roll number wise so that you get a proper attendance. Now the second folder is called the daily attendance sheets, which should have the daily attendance sheet downloaded from the Microsoft Teams app when you were conducting the lecture. Okay, so I'll show you what we have to do. So I have some files. So I have two files. So I already have converted my roll call list to the required format, so I'll just show you how that should look. So I should have the column name as my display name, and after that these are the student names in the roll number wise manner, but the names match the Microsoft team names that they have been assigned by the particular class teachers. So these are my students. This is the list according to their roll numbers. So I will copy this file and I will paste this file into my roll call list folder. Okay, so this goes under the roll call list folder. Now under the daily attendance sheet folder, I should copy all my daily attendances. So I have all my daily attendances like this, but the only difference is I cannot upload all the files that I have downloaded directly from Microsoft Teams. What I will have to do is I'll have to open those files. I'll have to click on save as, and then the save as type should be either the first option, that is an Excel workbook .xlsx, or it should be CSV comma delimited, that is .csv. So either of those two. So all you have to do is you just have to open all of your files and then change the save as type, the the file extension, to either XLSX or to CSV. Okay, that's all you need to do. So either of the options are fine. Okay, and you just replace them and then close your file. Now I'm going to copy all of these files because I've already saved them in the correct format, and then I'll go back to the folder for my software. So I'll go to this folder now, daily attendance sheets, and I'll paste all of my files over here. That's it. Now these are my daily attendances for the month of July to August. So I have 15 items in this folder. That means the total number of lectures that I've taken in the particular duration is 15. Now all I have to do is I have to double click on this exe file, that is generate report, and this should now give me a cumulative Excel file for the entire duration of July to August. So I should have the roll numbers, the student names. Along with that, I should have all the dates. So I should have the dates from July to August, and that will give me whether a student was present on that date or not. And along with that, I will have another column at the end which will give me a cumulative count of how many lectures the student has attended out of 15. So here we go. So we have the final Excel file over here, or the CSV file called as attendance report. So I'm going to open that up and show you how it looks. So here are the full names. So these are my columns. So I have full name, then I have all my dates. So I have 15 dates over here, and the last column is for the lectures attended by the student. Okay, so let's see. So date wise, I will get whether the student was present or absent, just like you would do in a attendance book. And along with that, I have for every student, I'll get the number of lectures that he has attended. So let's see. So now if you can see, for each and every student, I'll get the number of lectures attended, like so. So that is how you can use our app, use the software that we've created to form the daily attendance report, or the cumulative report. So you can either use this for counting the number of students present daily in your lectures, or you can use this to calculate the number of students present throughout the month, or the number of lectures attended by a individual student throughout the month. So good luck and keep on teaching.